Today on Low Carb with Jennifer, I'm going to show you how to make these easy keto no-bake cookies. I've got my apron on, and now let's make these no-bake cookies. So typically, no-bake cookies are a chocolate cookie with peanut butter and oats and sweetener, and did I say chocolate? And some other things, and they're not baked. They are refrigerated so that they're hardened into a nice, delicious cookie. It is a classic. So how do we make this cookie keto? Well, we're going to start with peanut butter. I've got 3/4 of a cup of crunchy, natural peanut butter, so it's sugar-free. I'm going to add some vanilla extract. So far, we're pretty traditional. Now we're going to add some coconut flakes, unsweetened coconut flakes, and this is what I like to use in place of the oats. So I've got 3/4 of a cup of dried, shredded, unsweetened coconut flakes. We need a tablespoon of cocoa powder, 1/3 of a cup of powdered keto-friendly sweetener. This is actually allulose, which is kind of in between a granulated and a powder, but it just melts right in and it's perfect. And finally, we've got 1/4 of a cup of chopped pecans. So now you just stir all of this together. I'm going to add 1/4 of a teaspoon of kosher salt and 2 tablespoons of melted butter. So on my website, this recipe is double what I'm doing right now, but I'm doing a half recipe. Let's get that all stirred together. And since this recipe does not have any eggs, we can give it a little taste just to make sure it's sweetened how you like it. It's got enough salt. I think that's perfect. Now I'm going to use a cookie scoop to scoop portions of the cookie batter out onto this lined sheet pan. I've got just a small sheet pan with some parchment paper on it. This scoop is kind of bigger than I wanted, so I'm not gonna fill it all completely. I want this to make about 10 cookies. Now we're going to use our little spatula just to flatten them out a little bit. You could use a spoon as well. Now these are going to go in the freezer for about 20 minutes until they're fully set. Okay, in just 20 minutes in the freezer, plus about 10 minutes of, prep, you've got chocolate cookies. So easy and so delicious. Let's get a bite. If you're missing that oatmeal flavor, like that oat flavor, you could mix in a little bit of oat flour. But honestly, I think the peanut butter would just overpower the oat flour flavor. I think this is all you need for your chocolate fix. Perfect for an after dinner treat. Be sure you try out this recipe. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time.